Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the Coinbase withdrawal status. Have you sent money out of Coinbase and wondering where it is? Here's how to check your withdrawal status quickly. And if you'd like to join the Coinbase platform is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you want to join it, you can do that either by the website or by downloading the Coinbase application. It's available on both Android and iOS devices. Once you finish, you access the website or you download the app. From there, you're going to click on sign up or sign in depending on whether you have an account already or not. And if you don't have an account, you can proceed to making an account. It's very simple. You just gotta enter some information about your payment methods, your credit cards, yourself, etc., and confirm your identity. Once you finish doing that, you're gonna open the app or website and sign in with your account. You can click on the sign in button. And as you can see, after you log in, you're gonna tap assets. Now there are a lot of common causes of pending transactions. If you have some withdrawal status pending, you can go and tap on assets to access them. Then you're gonna open the cash or crypto section. You can select the assets you want to withdraw or you withdrew. And then you can click on view transaction history. You can select recent transactions and tap the withdrawal. And you'll see if it's pending, processing, or completed. For crypto withdrawals, you can also view the blockchain transaction details. And as you can see, there are a lot of common causes of pending transactions. Network sync loss or rejections. You can face insufficient network confirmations, insufficient fees for small transactions, attempt to spend pending assets, or high network volume, or etc. Now, if your status or your transactions are pending, you might be encountering one of these issues right here. So make sure to read on it very carefully. Now, the bank withdrawals may take few business days, while crypto withdrawals depend on network speeds. And that's how you check your Coinbase withdrawal status. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.